For me to see that particular document that shows that they approached the Phokeng police station and requested, them to assist.
Yes.
Because I was never shown, even my attorney has never seen that document.
You'll recall that when the police went to search your room on the 19th of June 2020, you yourself said they were accompanied by the Phokeng police, not so?
Usakhumbula ke ngalenkathi ke amaphoyisa ke ayosesha ke room lakho ke nge-19 zika June ngo-2020 nawe futhi ke uye washo ukuthi ke bebehamba namaphoyisa asePhokeng. Usakhumbula ukusho lokho?
Ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I do recall that.
Ibike lo ncwadi leyo.
Where is that? Where is the search warrant?
Right. Moving along with the evidence of Sergeant Mokgane, if you turn over to page 16, line 1 to 3, Sergeant Mokgane testified as follows. They also agreed to accompany us to where we, Ntanzi Bongani, stay, or the place that we have been shown during the day.
Uma sesiqhubekela phambili ke lapha ekhasini number 16 ke uMokgane ke uthi ke baye bavuma ukuthi basiphelezele kuya lapha ke uNtanzi Bongani ehlala khona kuleya ndawo leya esayikhonjiswa ke emini.
Okay, mina ngangingekho mithi la.
Okay, I was not there.
And then continuing with the evidence of Sergeant Mokgane, testified that on our arrival, we knocked on the room which we had seen during the day, where Ntanzi is supposed to stay.
uMokgane yaqhubeka athi ke uma sesifika lapho ke siyasanqonqoza ke roomini leli ke salibona ngalenkathi sifikile emini kule room lelo Ntanzi ukuthi uhlala kulona.
Cha, kulona iqiniso.
That is not correct.
Ngangilele mina ngangikhona endlini. Mangilala umnyango nguvale ngiyavula ngivale ibhakla kuphela.
I was inside the room, I was sleeping, and the door, I normally don't close the door when I sleep, I just close the background.
Ukuthi banokha kulona into iradio ayikhale nje ngine-radio.
And the radio was on inside the room. I have a radio.
You testified yesterday that the police came in the evening. Sergeant Mokgane and Sergeant Mokgola.
Uye wathi izolo ke amaphoyisa ke uSergeant Mokgane noSergeant Mokgola ke bafika ntambama.
Cha kaze ngikhuluma ngomhula.
I never spoke about Mokgola.
Mina ngikhuluma
Mokgane and Mabena.
Hayi umhula ngikwazi.
Okay, yakushintsha umbuso uthi Mokgane noMabena uthe baye bafika ke kuntambama.
Nje kwasekumnyama. Elanga liyashesha ukushona into kwakubanda.
I said it was dark since the sun sets early since it was winter.
If you look at the evidence of Sergeant Mokgane on page 70, the third sentence from the bottom, Sergeant Mokgane says it was 2000 hours in the evening. The previous question that we asked him is on line 21. We asked him more or less what time was it when you arrested him, and he said it was 2100 hours in the evening.
Uma ke sibheka ke ufakazi bakhe ke mzana Mokgane lapha ku page number 17 mangabheka lana usithathu kusuka lezansi ke uyasho ukuthi makaphendula ukuthi ke isikhathi ke beku 9 ebusuku futhi ke umbuzo ke masubheka ke umbuzo lo sambuza wona ke ngaphambi ukuthi aphendule ke lempendulo le uye wathi ke bayabambuza ukuthi ke maningasho ke nimbophe ngasikhathi sini ile nkathi ke sekaphile ku 9.
You have any comment regarding the time of your arrest?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ke malana nesikhathi lesokuboshwa kwakho makathi ke beku 9 ebusuku.
Because ngibantwe isikhathi angisibona.
My lord, I did not see the time.
Now, if once again we look at the AVL exhibits MM in brackets 2 on page 22, shows on the 16th of June 2020 at 19:43 and 13 seconds, ignition off. The location says 85.00 kilometers northwest of Krugersdorp, and on the 16th of June 2020 at 2100 hours and 31 seconds, it says start up.
Manje ke uma sesibheka futhi ke wona lo mbiko wemoto le kuyakhuluma ngayo ke iAVL ke ubheka ke page number 22 umbiko lo uyakhombisa ukuthi ke mhla ka 16 June ngo2020 ke isikhathi ku 19:43:13 ikhombisa ukuthi ke ignition yaba ukuthi imoto yacishwa ngalesikhathi leso indawo ke bekuthi ku northwest ke ngase eKrugersdorp. Uma sibheka futhi ke ngesikhathi esu 21:00:31 ikhombisa ukuthi baje start up imoto fida yaphinde ya start.
Mhlawumbe kulamaphepha sesingakubona kulamaphepha la angithi umkhani uthi ngibophe ngo9 usho njalo ngithetha sebe mangibuka mina lamaphepha angiboni lapha athi imoto khona ifike imkhona ngo9 ubona umcinga ngikobisi.
My lord, from Mokgane's evidence he did mention to the court that he arrested me at 9, but from this AVL reports I don't see a portion where it shows that came to where I was at 9.
No, sir, but we have just quoted the AVL report indicating that the vehicle arrived at 8:45, 1943, says ignition off. And then at 21:00:31, the vehicle was then started.
Kodwa mnumzane ke sicela ukubeka manje ukuthi ke uma ungabheka ke lo mbiko lo babiza AVL report le iyasho ireport lokuthi ke ngo 1943:13 bebengalapho ukhona futhi imoto ibicinyiwe ngoba ithi ignition off isikhathi ngo 1943:13 iphinde futhi ke ikhombe ukuthi indawo ke bekuyi northwest ithi futhi umbiko futhi lona ke mawubheka futhi ngo 21:00:31 imoto futhi yaduma futhi
Kwasenkanto le ndawo le Kruger Stop indawo eleng imoto indawo ithawa yaleng ngase Waterfall Mall ngakubakwena toll gate.
My lord, this place, the Krugersdorp, is a place that is close to Waterfall Mall at Bakwena.
Ayikhona ngasela khuzana lapha ngihlala ngakhona indawo lendawo ethi Kruger Stop.
This place is not close to where I reside.
Uyaphuma ngisho edrobheni eRustenburg ingene indlela ithi Kruger Stop Johannesburg angazi ibiza nePitori la i-toll gate Bakwena.
You have to leave completely where I stay and then you follow the route that says Krugersdorp and then Johannesburg,
nePitori
and Pretoria.
But Mr. Ntanzi,
mina ngicela isikhathi lesi athi umhani ongibophe ngo9 ngithi ngicela ukuboniswa lwethu AVR ngaphela imoto ayise Freedom Park ngalesi sikhathi sikana.
All I'm requesting, my lord, since Mohane testified that he arrested me at this particular time at 9 in the evening, I just am requesting that I be shown from this AVL report a portion where it shows that at this particular time, Mohane arrested me. The car was there where I reside.
Mr. Ntanzi, if you look at page 18, the previous entry on the AVL that we referred to, you'll see that the longitude is 27.2320. These are now the coordinates. 272320, 25.5606. And if you look at the coordinates on the 22nd, on page 22, at the times that we've indicated, 1943:13 and 21:00:31, the coordinates are 27.1625, that is the longitude. The latitude is 25.5731. And if you compare the two, you will see that they fall within the same range.
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke bekumele ukuthi ke umbuso ukuthi ke uma ubheka ke ngokuya ngayo le report leke iyakhombisa kahle kahle ukuthi le ndawo le ikuphi ke uma ke uyibheka ke mhlawumbe njengasemapini mawubheka isikhathi lesi ke 1943:13 page 18 no page 22 zoyi2 zibonakala ke ziyindawo eyodwa.
Cha yimi ngihlala eNorthwest because indawo ehlukene.
My lord, I am the one that stays in Northwest. These areas or places are two different areas.